chaos around you, and fully focused on what truly matters. Sounds almost superhuman, right? But for Marcus Aurelius, one of the most powerful Roman emperors and a Stoic philosopher, this was his normal way of living. His personal writings, which have lasted for thousands of years, aren't just old thoughts. They're powerful, practical advice on how to stay disciplined in a noisy, busy world. Today, we're going to look closely at Stoicism, not as complicated ideas, but as useful tools that can help you live with more self-control and purpose. Stoicism teaches us how to turn problems into opportunities, find calm in the middle of emotional stress, use life's ups and downs to grow stronger. Whether you're dealing with stress, searching for peace of mind, or just want to get more done, Stoic principles can guide you toward a better life. Understanding the Stoic way of life can teach us a lot, especially in today's world full of distractions and the constant pull of instant gratification. Stoic philosophy reminds us to focus on 4 key values: wisdom, courage, justice, and moderation. It's not just about surviving tough times, it's about learning to thrive, no matter what life throws at you. So if you're ready to change how you see and handle life's challenges, stick with us. We're diving into the powerful and life-changing teachings of Marcus Aurelius and how you can use them to build a strong, disciplined life. As we start this journey into Stoicism and the timeless wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, I have one small favor to ask. Hit the subscribe button if you appreciate what we're doing here. And don't skip any part of this video. If you're watching this, you're already different from the crowd. You're someone who seeks deeper insight, so stay tuned as we explore Stoic teachings that can truly change your life. At the core of Marcus Aurelius's philosophy is this idea: self-discipline begins with finding your purpose. But what does it actually mean to find your purpose? It means figuring out what truly matters to you, what drives you deep down, and making sure your actions reflect that. Marcus often talked about living in agreement with nature. For him, that meant understanding your place in the bigger picture and acting according to your values. Purpose wasn't just a nice idea. It was a real, guiding force behind every decision he made, big or small. Your purpose is what gets you out of bed each morning, ready to face the day. It's what keeps you focused when distractions or temptations try to pull you off course. And it's not about chasing fame or fortune. It's about doing what life asks of you, with honesty and dedication. In today's fast-paced world, finding your purpose can feel overwhelming. We're surrounded by endless choices and distractions. That's why Stoic wisdom is so valuable. It helps us cut through the noise. Stoicism teaches us to let go of shallow desires and emotional clutter so we can focus on what's truly important. Ask yourself, what really deserves my time and energy? How can today's actions help me grow or help others? Look at what you're naturally drawn to, what gives you a deep sense of satisfaction, or what problems you feel motivated to solve. These are clues to your purpose. Once you've found that purpose, daily reflection becomes a powerful tool. By consistently choosing actions that match your purpose, saying no to what doesn't serve you and yes to what does, you build the self-discipline to live a life that matters. Start with this simple practice from Marcus Aurelius. Each morning, ask yourself, what am I meant to do today? Each evening, reflect, did I stay true to my purpose? Over time, this habit won't just help you stay focused. It will shape your life into something deeper, more meaningful, and truly fulfilling. When Marcus Aurelius wrote about self-discipline, one of the key themes he returned to again and again was this: learn to rely on yourself. Now, this idea of counting on yourself isn't about shutting out others or refusing help. Instead, it's a core part of Stoic philosophy, which teaches that we must take personal responsibility for our actions, our reactions, and our growth. In Stoicism, what matters most is focusing on what's within your control, your thoughts, your choices, your attitude. Marcus Aurelius believed that when life gets difficult, we should look inward. That's where our real strength lies. By trusting ourselves, we tap into our inner resilience. It's not about being arrogant or thinking we have all the answers. It's about knowing ourselves well, being confident in our abilities, and acting with integrity and wisdom. This kind of self-reliance is powerful but it can also feel intimidating, especially in today's world where we're constantly surrounded by outside opinions, advice, and noise. Learning to tune out the noise and listen to your inner voice is more important than ever. Because at the end of the day, no one else can live your life for you. You're the one who has to make the hard decisions, face the consequences, and keep moving forward. And the more you build that trust in yourself, the more disciplined, calm, and capable you'll become, no matter what life throws your way.